I want to start out by giving a shout out to all of the people who've reached out. Our calendars have been stacked over here at Asphalt Kingdom with people that are just starting out businesses in the pavement industry, but people who are also looking at growing and scaling their business. It's obvious that all of us want to build a super successful business. The challenge is that it's not easy to do when you don't have the processes and systems and the right circle around you to achieve that. And so what I've learned over the last 25 years of being an entrepreneur and, of course, starting Asphalt Kingdom 22 years ago and helping thousands of people build their very own asphalt maintenance and repair businesses, I learned that there are certain pillars in business that you really need to make sure that you have optimized so that they're firing really, really well. We're not building a hand crank business. We want to be building a machine-based business. And so first and foremost, what we need to be able to do is build a marketing engine. A marketing engine is really the face of our business. When you think of marketing, your website, Facebook, Instagram, your Google My Business profile, your YouTube channel set up, your LinkedIn professional profile, you really want to have your digital presence completely set up for two key reasons. One is to generate leads from those different platforms, what we call omni-channel marketing. And then you also want to have presence there so that you have the social proof that's needed for your business so that when you do communicate with potential customers out there, you have proposals out, that when they go back and they look you up, that they're able to find you, not just find you, but see raving reviews about you as well. And so that's something that's really important, is to build out your marketing engine first. Second thing is you need to build out your sales engine. Your sales engine is the voice of your business. You need to be able to understand how to communicate. And we teach what's called the closer framework over here at Asphalt Kingdom. The closer framework brings somebody through a sales journey where we go through the clarifying stage, we go through the labeling stage, then we go through the overview stage, selling the vacation, explaining away the concerns, and then reinforcing the decision. That closer framework allows us to convert way more deals. In addition, we also build out that sales engine that can deal with objections when they're presented. So there's certain sales talk tracks that we operate with to be able to respond to these objections that customers may have, right? It also separates you from the pack as it relates to pricing when you know how to defend your pricing, and it allows you to be more profitable with your business. So that's something that's really important with your sales engine. You also need to be able to build out pavement assessments, which is like a medical report for your parking lot, convert those to emotionally compelling proposals that convert at high levels. So we have the marketing engine, the sales engine. We need to have the operations engine. The operations engine really has all of your standard operating procedures, all of your safety checklists, making sure that you're operating your business properly. And once you have your procedures and operations all nailed within your business, you've got your third engine that's firing really well. That operations, what I find also, you have core values and culture built into that so that your business is attractive not only for yourself, but for your staff members, team members. It makes it magnetic when you have good culture with your organization. It also attracts customers from the outside as well as new hires. So that's built into the operations engine. And then you have the financial engine of your business, truly understanding your costs, making sure that you understand that every job that you put out a proposal for, that it's actually going to be profitable for you, not just one of those jobs that you go out and hunt revenue, which is vanity. Really what we say is cash is sanity. Cash in your pocket's what's key. That's what builds enterprise value with your organization. And so you want to make sure that the financial engine's firing as well. You need to understand how to set up a budget, how to actually read financial statements, a P&L, a balance sheet, cash flow, etc. It's very important as you're building your business that you understand these things. And if you don't right now, the good news is that we're in your corner to be able to help you navigate all of these unknowns and then to help teach you about them so that you become a really optimized business owner. And so that's something that's really important to consider, is that you're building out the marketing, the sales engine, the operations engine, the financial engine for your business as well. Once you have all of these key engines that are firing, then what you do is you have your systems that tie it all together. That's your fifth pillar. And that's why we've developed a K-Dash over here, which is like a CRM, an organizational sales engine that really ties everything together into one place so that you have your automation and you have your professionalism in the way that you operate. Anytime somebody's looking at buying your business, they want to know that you've systemized the business, right? Almost building it as though it's a franchise, as a franchisor where you'd be franchising this business. But the reality of it is, You need to have this all nailed down in an organizational, systemized fashion in order to build the highest enterprise value, so that if somebody was ever coming to buy your business, that they would say, this is a super attractive business that I'd like to acquire. And so that's what we need to be building out of the gate. A lot of people go 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and then they start to think about doing this. And it's not too late to do it. But if you're just starting out right now, man, oh man, it's a perfect time to set everything up properly. The good news is over here at Asphalt Kingdom, we have coaching programs, we've got digital marketing programs, and we really have all of the business solutions in one place to cover off all of the things that we've spoken about. And of course, doing this all on your own is not easy. It's like drinking from a fire hose, being lost in the fog, trying to navigate. So I just want you to know, I know how you feel right now because I was there. But here we are 25 years later. I've been through all the ups and downs and all arounds. And we'd really love to be able to explore the horizons in the future with you. So you can go ahead and click that link down below in the description. You can book a meeting with one of our business solutions experts, and I hope that I can meet you on one of those meetings as well. Click that link below. We'll see you on the inside. Let's build your business to the moon, and let's do it the right way. Starting now. Click the link.